This is Fast Track's prepackaged solder that we sell in quantities of about 15 feet inside this little dispenser. That's enough for about 20 turnouts. This solder is a 60-40 type solder. It's a lead tin mixture. It's not a lead-free solder. You don't want to try using lead-free solder for building track work. It's really difficult to use that type of solder for hand soldering. It's not really necessary to use. There's nothing wrong with using this type of solder. It's been around forever. It has a rosin flux in the core of the solder, even though it's very small diameter solder. It's about 20 thousandths of an inch in diameter. That does have a bead of flux in there, which allows it to flow a lot nicer when you're working with it. The advantage of this solder is that small diameter. When you're building track work, you really don't want to be using a heavy solder, a large diameter solder, because you don't need much of it. We found that by using a small diameter solder, people get a lot better results more easily with it. There's no need to use silver solder or any other specialty solder when building track work. This is basic solder is really all you need, and works quite well.